Want your date and time always visible, clean, and minimalist on your home screen? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. Start on your home screen, then tap and hold on any empty space until the layout enters edit mode. At the bottom or top, look for the option that says widgets, then tap on widgets. You'll see a list or grid of different widget types. Scroll until you find the clock or date and time widgets section. Tap the clock or date and time category to preview the different widget styles available. Choose the style you like, then tap and hold that widget so you can drag it to your home screen. Drag the widget onto your home screen and release it where you want the date and time to appear. If resize handles appear around the widget, drag the edges to make it wider or taller for a cleaner, more readable look. Some widgets let you customize the style. Tap the widget to open settings like font, color, or which calendar it uses. Pick a clean font, a simple color, and make sure both date and time are turned on for a minimal, at-a-glance layout. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Done, Apply, or simply go back to your home screen to save the changes. That's it. Your home screen now shows a clean date and time widget, always visible and perfectly in place, so you can check it at a glance anytime.